Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's 8 in the evening and I'm shooting a YouTube video. It's like I'm getting my groove back. So I don't know how to explain what today's video is all about, so I'm going to tell you guys a story. Recently I met a girl for the very first time and she's someone who does extremely well professionally. She's someone I look up to, very inspiring. And she and I were having a conversation and she looked at me and she said, "Yaar, Jasmine, आप makeup बहुत अच्छा करते हो. Can you help me out with makeup?" And I was like, "Yes." And then I realized slowly that she had no idea about makeup. And she's like, मैं हमेशा shades के साथ confuse हो जाती हूँ कि I'm a beginner, कि because of my work I don't get a lot of time to do makeup. तो जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ and I go to buy products, I'm always misguided and I don't know the products that I should use. And slowly we started talking about makeup and I helped her out. And then I realized that there are so many girls and boys out there who want to do makeup but who have very little knowledge about makeup or the kind of products that they should buy. So today's video is all about me guiding you guys about your makeup, especially if you're a beginners. It's like you and I today are going to build a tiny makeup kit full of drugstore products that are affordable, that are around like in the range from 1000 to 1200, so that you don't waste a lot of money buying the products and you get a hang of using makeup, and then you all can elevate your makeup kit. So today's video is all about makeup kit for beginners that includes skincare and all the products that you need if you're just starting out with makeup. I hope this is informative. I hope this is helpful. And let's jazz it up. For this video, I have a couple of things that I can't function without. A is my makeup kit. This is like cute little wash bag that I love. It's really helpful if you're traveling, if you just want to keep your makeup. So this is where I keep all my makeup, and this is the makeup kit that we're going to be building today. The second thing that I have with me is my black coffee. I know certain people are going to watch this video and I'm going to get a call and yelled at because I'm having coffee in the evening, but one for my YouTube fam. And the third thing I have with me is literally my diary. I've written all the benefits of the products, I've written the prices so that you guys won't have an issue at all. And I'm not going to be lazy with my editing, and I'm going to write all the products, the benefits, and the prices as I speak about the products. Whenever you're buying makeup, always remember makeup se zyada important hota hai skin care, because your makeup depends on how good your skincare is. So if you've prepped your skin well with moisturizer, sunscreen, eye serum, or hydrating lip balm, तो आपका makeup ज़्यादा देर टिकेगा. So one moisturizer that I love is this one by Cetaphil. As you guys can see, इसकी हालत पूरी खराब हो चुकी है because I use it on a daily basis. This one is priced at around 527 or 530 rupees. If you have acne, oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, anything, this one is extremely suitable. It's lightweight and it is the best. So if you all are just starting and you need a moisturizer, Cetaphil it is. Another moisturizer that I've recently started using is this one by Pond's. It's for rupees 240. It's called their Super Light Gel Non-Sticky Freshy Feel. I mean, let me just open this for y'all. If you guys can see, this one has a jelly formula. It's great for oily skin. It keeps your skin hydrated. If I'm not wrong, it has vitamin E एंड हाइड्रोलॉनिक एसिड. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत लाइट वेट है, कूलिंग सेंसेशन देता है. अभी बिफोर आई डिड माई मेकअप आई अप्लाइड दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. सो इफ देयर समथिंग दैट यू गाइज वांट टू ट्राई, सो दिस वन. One more thing that I want to tell you all, usually हम अब इसके prices देखते हैं, like this is for 220, तो छोड़ो शायद product अच्छा नहीं होगा. But we need to also see that Pond's has been in the market for a really long time. People, our mothers, grandmothers, all have been using Pond's, the cream. So make sure that you give these products a try, and this one is really nice. Now, after you guys have a moisturizer in your kit, the next thing that you'll need is a sunscreen. अगर आप beginner हो और आपको serums नहीं use करने, so don't make it too extra. Just go with minimal products. So a sunscreen is something that is an essential. It is a must. चाहे आप घर के बाहर हो, अंदर हो, सुबह है, दोपहर है, रात है, you guys need to use a sunscreen. So the sunscreen that I have recently started using is this one by Dot and Key. It's their watermelon cooling sunscreen, SPF 50+++, better vitamin D absorption, no white cast. So that is really nice. It's for rupees 540, and just let me show you guys the texture. Look at this. Just see. like it's so nice, it leaves no white cast, easily blend हो जाता है. SPF 50 plus is extremely important. SPF 50 plus के नीचे कोई sunscreen usually काम नहीं करती, it's not that effective, so you need an SPF 50 plus plus plus. This one is plus plus plus. नो वाइट कास्ट, बिल्कुल स्टिकी नहीं है, आप अपने मेकअप करने के टाइम भी लगा सकते हो और मेकअप इससे पील ऑफ नहीं होता. सो आई थिंक दिस इज वन सनस्क्रीन दैट आई रियली लाइक. ऑल्सो डॉट एंड की में 2-3 और ऑप्शन आते हैं, सो यू कैन रीड इट एंड अकॉर्डिंगली जो आपका स्किन टाइप है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑयली, कॉम्बिनेशन, ड्राई, सो हर एक स्किन टाइप के लिए सनस्क्रीन आती है. बट दिस ब्रांड इज रियली नाइस, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कीप दिस इन योर makeup kit. So after my sunscreen, one thing that I really love to apply like 100 times in a day is a lip balm or a lip moisturizer. So the one that I would suggest is this one by Vaseline. It's the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter. I absolutely love this. It is priced at rupees 243, and let me just show you guys the texture. And just see it has, and just see the texture. It's really smooth. It's really shiny. 243 वैसलीन के हिसाब से थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, बट इट्स एन एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट. ये आपकी लिप्स को रिपेयर करता है, मॉइस्चराइज करता है. लव दिस सेंट. आई एम जस्ट गोना अप्लाई a little bit for you guys right here. A pro tip, रात को लगा के सो जाओ, सुबह उठो and it's just going to make your lips feel like butter. So now we're going to move towards the makeup bit. The next product that I'm going to review is a concealer. After you're done with your skincare, the first makeup product you need is a concealer. It's extremely important. So the one that I use is from LA Girl Pro. I absolutely love this concealer. I think it's for 626. अगर मेरे prices थोड़े ऊपर नीचे चले गए, so I'll mention it here. You don't have to worry. I'm just going to swatch it for you all so you all can see the texture of this concealer. It is so creamy, easily blendable, और इसकी कवरेज बहुत ही हाई है. It's just for 626 and इसमें एक color corrector आता है in the shade orange. So if you guys also need a color corrector, I think this is one of the best products. This is one of the best brands that we have out there. Another brand जिसके concealers मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और बहुत affordable है, and even if I have high end concealers that are expensive, I make sure that I use this one. This one is by Maybelline. It is their Instant Age Rewind eraser, and I absolutely love this product. It looks somewhat like this and it's called an eraser. It is so creamy, it is so blendable, इसकी coverage इतनी high है. सो इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर और आपको नहीं पता कि आपको ज्यादा केकी कंसीलर नहीं लगाना है, दिस वन इज द बेस्ट कंसीलर. आई थिंक इट्स फॉर 536, 600 रुपीज के नीचे है, एंड दिस इज अ कंसीलर दैट मस्ट 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 बी इन योर किट इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर और इवन इफ यू जस्ट लव डूइंग मेकअप. लाइक दिस इज एन अमेजिंग वन. Now the next product that I want to talk about are foundations. Now for my foundations also I use Maybelline. Like I think they're the best foundations out there. It's for rupees 649. I think 16 hours तक रहता है. Great for oily skin, combination skin, dry skin. अगर आपका skin sensitive है, acne है, तो आंखें बंद करके लगा लो. This is the foundation that I've used right now. I have acne, I have sensitive skin, and I have been using this foundation almost every day, and it doesn't harm your skin. Easily blendable, easily applied. इसकी color range भी बहुत wide है, so I think this is one foundation that must be in your makeup kit. Now after you're done with your concealer and your foundation, you need a powder. जब मैंने मेकअप शुरू किया था, I think I struggled to find a powder. I still remember I went to like a beauty place where you get all makeup products, and I was like, I need a powder. So they're like, ma'am, आप fair हो तो आप ये powder use करो. And I took it. I had no idea. And when I came home, and my dad is like, why do you look so, like, what have you done to your face? Like, it looked like atta. So a lot of people are very misguided about powder. उनको लगता है baking कर लेनी चाहिए, something एक shade lighter होना चाहिए. But no, you need a powder according to your undertones. So one brand that has a lot of range in their powders is again Maybelline. I'm just going to show you guys. This is their loose powder, and it is so good. This is the texture. It's really thin, it's really fine. बहुत ही हल्का है, आपके फेस पे एकदम केकी और पैची नहीं होगा. Let me just try it for you guys so that you get an idea as to how the powder is. Also this is for 7.99. So जब भी powder use करते हो थोड़ा सा ले लो. I don't want to bake it. Remove the excess and just put it under your eyes like this. एंड जहाँ पर भी शाइन है ये उसको एकदम ही मैटिफाई कर देगा. बहुत ही लाइट वेट है, अमेजिंग है, इट्स अफोर्डेबल. इसके साथ बेकिंग भी कर सकते हो. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू बेक एंड यू जस्ट वांट टू वेरी लाइटली सेट योर फेस, you can do that with this powder as well. Now that we've done our powder, the next thing that I like to do with my makeup is my eyebrows. So let me remove a really magical product for you guys. This product is for the eyebrow, it is for the eyes. It can be used as an eyeliner gel, like an eyeliner gel. You can use it as a kajal and you can use it as an eyebrow gel as well. This one is from Swiss Beauty and it's called their eyebrow and gel eyeliner. It's for rupees 343 and I absolutely love this product. इसके साथ आप अपने eyebrows कर सकते हो, आप काजल यूज कर सकते हो, आप इसको eyeliner की तरह यूज कर सकते हो. And this is a product that must be in your makeup kit. And इसी को मैंने अभी अप्लाई किया हुआ है. So I take my brush, I dip it in this. It's really pigmented, so you have to be very careful and just fill your brows with this and you will see the color is so good. So this is one product that I would highly recommend for your eyebrows. Now I'm going to tell you guys about an extremely important product, eyeshadow palettes. When you do your makeup, it matlab eyes itni important hoti hai, it can change your entire look, it can change your entire face. And I'm going to tell you two eyeshadow palettes which you all can buy, and with this you guys can literally create 100 makeup looks. So the first eyeshadow palette is from Revolution. I am just going to give you guys a closer look into the palette. This one is called Revolution Loaded Neutrals 2 and it's for 6.99. Let's just talk about this palette. अगर आप देख सकते हो, it has shades of pink, browns, glitters or neutrals. So if you're a beginner, this palette is really going to help you all. Easy minimal makeup looks इससे create हो जाएंगी. So something like this should definitely be in your makeup kits because ये वो colors है जो आप अपनी day to day life में use करते हो. Indian, Western, office, college, wherever you guys want to apply makeup, this is one palette that you guys need. The next palette that I love is from K Beauty. It's called Wild and Free and it's for rupees 1300. ये अब तक का सबसे expensive product है, but I think this is a must in your makeup kit and let me tell you why. So if you guys can see the shade range, इधर browns है, green है, black है, dark brown है, glitter है. So if you want to create like a smoky eye या थोड़ा festive look चाहिए, so this palette is really nice. 1300. Not too expensive but इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. K Beauty, the products are really good. So Revolution के साथ अगर आपके पास ये palette होगा, so you can create like the best looks ever. The next product is the girlies favorite. I'm going to remove my blush. This blush is again from K Beauty. It's for 764 rupees and it's a cream blush. इसके बारे में तो मैं जितना बोलूं कम है, so I'm going to swatch it for you guys to see it. So it has a creamy formula, full coverage hai, and the color is just amazing. I always like to take it with my fingers and I'm just going to apply it for you all so that you can see how beautiful the shade is. I honestly feel कि जो blush आपकी fingers से blend हो गया means that is an amazing blush. Like it is so creamy, the texture is so good, so buttery that it just easily gets blended. And now I have to put it on my other cheek as well because I love this blush. Also, there's another blush that I want to help you guys out with, is this one from Swiss Beauty. This blush by Swiss Beauty, it's called the Cheek It Up blush. It's for 3.99 and it's absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at the shine. So this is another blush that I use as a blush cum highlighter. ये लगा लेती हूँ तो उसके बाद I don't feel the need to put an highlighter. So another drugstore product that is amazing for rupees 3.99 is this Cheek It Up blush from Swiss Beauty. Now I forgot a very, very, very important product, and that is a mascara. This one is by Maybelline. It's their Hyper Curl Mascara. Iska price मैंने नहीं लिखा. I think I forgot about it, but I'm going to mention it in the description or on the screen, and I just want to apply this for you all because I really, really love this one. It's one of the best mascaras that I have ever used. And just FYI, आज के वीडियो में मैं मस्कारा लगाना भूल गई हूँ, so I'm just going to बैठे बैठे यहाँ पर मस्कारा लगा लेती हूँ. And do you guys see the difference? So this mascara is one of the best mascaras. चाहे आपके पास कितने भी expensive mascaras हो, अगर आपने ये use कर लिया, आप घूम फिर के इसके पास जरूर वापस आओगे. Now we are approaching towards the end of our video, and I feel really bad. Sif lips रह गए हैं, so I'm going to talk about a lip liner and a lipstick. One of the best lip liners that I have used, again from K Beauty, and just look at this. It is so smooth. This is what I've put in my lips right now, and I'm just gonna overline my lips with it right now. Like, it is so buttery. The shades are absolutely stunning. Like, this is one of the best lip liners. Katrina Kaif has done something right with a beauty brand. क्योंकि अभी recently मैंने एक और actress का एक lip product लिया, and it is so bad, and I'm going to review it in my other video. I thought it's something that everyone's using, and let me try it, but it is so disappointing, and all the products from K Beauty are just outstanding. They also have great lipsticks. I mean, just look at the texture, just look at the colors. It's so smooth, it's so nice, it's matte, and the application is so easy. Now another lipstick that I really want to talk about is this one by Maybelline. It's their vinyl lipsticks recent collection. इसके ऊपर मैंने एक video बनाई है on my YouTube channel, so you can go see that. It comes in this formula. It's matte. It does give a glossy look, but at the end of it, it's just a matte lipstick. But it's really nice. The shades up to nude, red, peachy, brown, day look, night look. This covers it all, and I'm just gonna put it on top of my lip color. I've actually applied this one only. So let me just swatch it behind my hand and show it to you all. It's so smooth. It does have a shine, like it's not completely matte, but ये dry होके matte हो जाता है. But it does have like a glossy look. इसका price मैं लिख दूंगी क्योंकि मेरी book में नहीं लिखा है. It's written, I've written book में I've written 849 and 637. So maybe that's like the lip liner and the lipstick, but I'm going to mention it here. So my cuties, this is the end of my video. I'm going to keep all of my products back in my wash bag. I hope this video helped. Please let me know if you are using these products. Also, can you all suggest some products that I can use, because I would also really like to try on new products that you guys have used. So thank you for staying till the end of the video. I love you guys, and see you all super soon.